How to use TTS bot in Discord. Hi everyone, this is Max. I hope you are doing great. So let's start without wasting time. First of all, open up your web. First of all, open up your web browser. Now search for Discord bots. Now open up the first website. Now tap on the search bar and search for TTS. Now find TTS bot and click on invite. Now log into your Discord. Now enter your password. Now select your server and click on continue. Now tap on authorize. Now verify the CAPTCHA. Now click on go to server. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe our channel for more awesome content. Have a burning question or such a topic? Drop down a comment below. This is Max signing off until next time.